Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another dynamics question from Meriam textbook, and we have this 180-pound ski jumper that attains a speed of 80 foot per second as he approaches the takeoff position. We need to calculate the magnitude of the N, which is the normal force exerted by the snow on his skis, just before he reaches the point A. So we are at this point. As always, we're going to start with the free body diagram of the skier. Let's say we have something like this. And if you want to show all the forces that we have at this point, there is going to be a normal force, which is what the question is asking. There is going to be the weight of the skier, which is 180 pounds. Let's just show the person in a different color. And obviously we know that he has a speed of, the speed is 80 foot per second. And we have some information about this angle, which is 30 degrees. And that if that angle is 30 degrees, this one also is 30 degrees. And yeah, we can show our axes in here too. Let's call maybe this one T, and this is going to be our N axis. So we have sum of all forces equal to mass times acceleration. So the forces that we have in here, let's start with the N because we are interested in the normal force. If we go along the N direction, we have the normal force positive, and we have the N component of the weight, which is 180 cosine of 30 degrees. And that's pretty much all the forces that we have. And this is equal to mass times acceleration, or normal acceleration. We know normal acceleration is also equal to v squared over the rho, where rho is the radius of this circular path, and we have that information is 150 feet. So for mass, keep in mind that we have the weight, and because we have the units based on the foot, our g in here is going to be 32.2 foot per second squared. And we know weight is equal to mass times acceleration of gravity. So mass would be W, or the weight, over G. So here we're just going to put the weight, which is 180, over the G, which is 32.2. And for the acceleration, we have V squared, which is 8 squared over, 80 squared. So we have the speed 80, and the radius, as I mentioned, is going to be 150, and that should give us the answer for the N. Let's just calculate it. Alright, so it's going to be 180 times 80 squared over 32.2 times 150, and we're going to add this to the 180 cosine of 30 degrees, and yeah, that's going to give us 394 pounds as the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.